Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to touch on how to get access to the material or quiz or assessments in a lab course. Okay, so once you log into my courses, okay, you will be able to get access to any course you're taking, any class you're taking. We're in this video, we're specifically focusing on CHM1025L Introductory Chemistry Lab online. Okay, so once you click into this course, the section you are enrolled in, most of the things you'll find are going to be under the tab of course content here. Okay, but usually if you go to course home, which is usually the first page pop out once you click the course number, I'll post in news, any announcements here. Okay, currently at the beginning of this semester I haven't posted anything here yet, but if anything I want to update with you guys, or I want to announce, it will be here first. Okay, and the same content should be same stuff should be sent to your email as well. Okay, and you should see any over this up right corner, you see this orange spot showing, indicating that there's a new message coming. Okay, now like I said, most of the things you should find in this course, it should be under the course contents. So if you click in here, and you'll see a lot of things. On the left side, you see the table of contents. Okay, and then you'll see a bunch of things like syllabus, Zoom meeting link. This is where you get access to the link provided in your email as well. The help session I'll be hosting every Wednesday. Every Monday and Wednesday morning at 11 o'clock. So this is the link for that meeting. Here's some useful stuff like how to review your grades, how to if you have this is another link for providing you the PR table. But anyway, most of the things you should be focusing on throughout the semester are these experiments. Okay, you can see experiment 1, experiment 2, experiment 3, experiment 4. They're in the order. Okay, 5, 6. Okay, typically for each experiment, okay, let's randomly pick any experiment. You should be able to see a few things. Let's click into, say, experiment 3. Okay, mass and volume. Now once you click that experiment on the main screen, okay, you'll see right now we're in the folder of experiment 3, mass and volume measurement. Again, I'm using this as an example. Okay, now under each experiment, under the title of each experiment, you will find quite a few things. Okay, now let's go through quickly what these things are. Okay, if you see a document, either Word document as a subtitle, or a PDF document, okay, that's usually the lab manual for this experiment. Okay, so if you click that, that will get you the file, the text file of this experiment, which is downloadable. Okay, you can download this file to your local drive by clicking this pull down menu. Okay, and then you can download this, okay, to your local drive. All right, but if this is you can print it out, okay, if that makes it easier for you to read. Most of you should not be concerned about the screen reader. Okay, now next thing you will see is the mass and volume lab video. This is for online course only, which is what we are currently are, since we're not able to conduct the experiment physically in the lab. So all you need to do is click on this link, which will lead you to another YouTube channel, and then open up the tab, and which is going to be the video for this experiment. Basically, you just watch the video as you are doing the experiment. Okay, right next to this link, you can see this is another PDF file, and this is the measurement lab result. I would watch the video first and then look at the lab result. Okay. The lab result, again, since it's a PDF file, you can view this on the browser, or you can download this to your local drive. Okay, apparently you will not have this. This is for instructor only. So okay, so this is for this particular experiment, you will have a sample response for an example of how to fill out the lab report of the measurement. Okay, but that's another Word document for reading purpose only. Okay, now by doing all of those, okay, will not give you any credits directly. Okay, your credits will directly coming from two quiz. If you see this kind of question mark as the icon, okay, that you indicating this is a quiz. and this one like this one here as well. Okay, so there are two quizzes: mass and volume measurement pre-lab, okay, and then mass and volume measurement lab report. So I want to point out is the pre-lab quiz, okay, it's gonna have an early due date. You see this one is gonna due by May 26th. Okay, and the lab report will due exactly 1 week from now. So notice that we're using this experiment 3 as the example. Okay, experiment 3 means usually this happens in the third, the third experiment. We're doing 2 experiments a week, so this is going to be during our second week. Okay, so you can see the pre-lab is supposed to turn in online. Okay, once you complete this quiz, your grades will directly post it on your gradebook right away. So this pre-lab quiz will be at the beginning of the second week, May 26th, and then the lab report will due 1 week from that. That's going to be the third week of the beginning of the third week. Okay. Now the pre-lab does not require you watching the video and get access to lab result. Okay, the pre-lab usually is shorter. It's relatively okay compared to the lab report, shorter, and it's worth 1 point each. And it's usually just for you to read the lab manual a little bit. Okay, so you can answer some simple questions, short questions in this one. And then once you complete the pre-lab, you will go to the lab video, access to lab result. This is the part where you get the information you need for the lab report. Okay, and then you go to the lab report quiz, complete that. So your major meet is going to come from lab report, which will worth 9 points. Okay, so you can see the pre-lab is going to worth 1 point, the lab report is going to worth 9 points. Keep in mind, okay, the pre-lab will be due at the beginning of the week, and the lab report will be due by the end of the beginning of the next week, basically. And also always keep eye on the due date for each experiment. Okay, we're in the summer semester, so keep in mind we are doing 2 experiments every week. Okay, so that's basically how you go along the way during the semester for each experiment each week. Okay.